Welcome back. Now we're gonna remove the cities that have negative values. As I explained in the previous video, this means that that particular field of data, the population, is empty. They don't know the data. To do that, we need to go to this shapefile and right click here. Right click. And then we're gonna open what is called the attribute table. So use the right button of your mouse, a window is going to be displayed, and then you can open the attribute table. And in here you see all the cities in this database. We have more than 38,000 cities, and in here we have the name of the city, the population, the name of the county, and we have some identifying values for the state. This is the identifying number, and this is the code for the state. What we need to do is remove all of these negative values in population. Let's organize this column in ascending order. We just click in the top of the column, and now it's ordered as in ascending order, and we have all the negative values here. And as you can see, we have more than 10,000 data negative. So we're going to be removing all of these negative values, more than 11,000. To do that, we need to go to the top here and select features using an expression. We're gonna click here, and now this is a very useful tool that we can use to select specifically some features based on information. We're gonna use the fields and values, so we just click in this arrow, and we see that now we have the population here. Double click here, and the value now is in this window, population 2010. And we want values that are higher than 0. We just want to select everything that has a population higher than 0. We don't want anything that is empty at this point, because of the analysis that we're going to be doing in a moment. And then click select features. It's going to take a moment because it's a large field, and then you can go here, show all features, and show selected features. And now, as you can see, we only have selected cities that have population. The highest one, of course, you could have guessed that is New York, Los Angeles. These are the big cities. Houston. So now we go back to our map here, and we need to extract those particularly selected cities. We're gonna extract those cities, the ones that have population. So we right click in the layer, we go down to export, and in export, instead of save feature as, this is the one that we have been using before, now we're gonna use save selected features as. This is going to save in a file just the ones that we selected previously, which are the ones with population. So we go here, and now we click in browse. We make sure that format is Esri file, shapefile. This is very important. And now we're gonna use our project folder. So I'm gonna bring the name again, copy, so we can save it in the correct folder. I'm gonna open a new folder, and I'm gonna save US cities with population larger 0. so I know that this is where my data is. So I double click here, I open the file, and I write cities pop larger than 0. Make sure it's an ASRIC shapefile again, and then save and OK. And here you see your progress bar. And now let's deactivate this layer so we don't see it. And now we can go here to the cities with population larger than 0. We can activate the labels again, and we can see the population. And now we only have cities that have actual population.